Hello everybody, it's JJ Medina X here. Hello, how is everybody doing? I'm here with a new video. Ooh, so excited, I've been waiting for so long. Today we're doing an blind boxing. I cannot English today, oh my goodness. So sorry about that. What I was trying to say is, today we're gonna be blind boxing unboxing video. Yeah, does that sound right? Anyway, yes, we're gonna be doing some blind box unboxing today. Ooh! I will show you guys what I have here. This is all gonna be stuff that you can find in Miniso. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so this is all the stuff from Miniso that you can find for blind boxes. Some of this stuff was given to me as my birthday present, like this guy, and these two little Hello Kitty ones. Oh, look how cute. And then the rest I've been kind of slowly just collecting by myself to do this video. Oh, I can't wait to unbox all of these. Exciting. I'm going to do the smaller ones first and then the bigger ones last. So I'm going to start with these little Hello Kitty little little baggies. Oh, look how cute. So these are all the ones that you can get. Honestly, I wouldn't care whichever one I get. I can open it. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. And we got... Oh, look how cute she is. Oh my gosh. She's so cutie. Oh my goodness. And then there's that. How cute. Oh, I love her. All right, next one. Okay. Why do these make it so hard? Oh, apparently it's not meant for children under 3 years. So we're good, people. We're good. But clearly I'm ugly. Okay. Oh, man. And we got... Oh, she's reading like a little book. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh. These are pretty good. These are really well made. They're like really good quality. Oh, I love Hello Kitty. I really like these. Thank you. Thank you. You know who you are, who gave me these for my birthday. Thank you. I love them. I love them. Alrighty, on to the next one. I'm going to do this actual box one now. But I think you can get different ones. Like... There's like the watermelon one, strawberry, like a little mango one, I think, and then like these other ones. So let's see who we get. Super cute. Okay, and there's nothing in the box, so it's not spoiling anything. Honestly, they're all cute. I don't care whoever I get kind of a thing. Just kind of like how the packaging looks like. So cute. Oh my gosh. And she's like that little fuzzy, like flocked. This is so cutie. Look at her. My little strawberry maid. I love her. She's so cute. Okay, now I got this little guy right here. Look with this little cat. And these are all the ones you can get. Here's the other two. Oh, they're all so cute. I really, really want this one, little bunny, or this one, or even this one's so cute. It reminds me of my little cat Bochi. Oh, and then these two are also cute. But honestly, I wouldn't be mad. They're all cute. I love cats. So let's see who we got. I can open it. Got nails, so it's a little bit more challenging. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's so precious. Oh, look how cute. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, little tail. Oh, she's so cute. 10 out of 10. I love it. Oh my gosh, she is so precious and so cute. On to these two. Also little cats. I actually already got 2 that I opened off camera. I got 2 more because they're kind of cute. I'll show you the ones that I unboxed already. Here's my little kitty, my little cat. There you go, you can see him better. Look at him, he is serving you bread. You want bread? Here you go. Oh, buddy. Oh no. Tends to fall. And then the other one that I got was this little gray kitty. Oh, look at him. Look at the handsome little man. Oh, he is so cute. This is how he looks like. He's just a little gray kitty. He's serving you today. So these are my two little cats that I already unboxed off camera. Okay, now let's see who we get from these two series. I think I'm gonna start with this guy. This is from the front. She's very cute. And then they have like little desserts. There's like this orange kitty and that one. I think that's like coffee. And then here's the other one so you can get. This is the one that I got. And there's the pancake one. Honestly, I really want the orange kitty with like sweet treat. I think he's just so cutie. Or even the pancake one. Let's take a look. And here we get. Oh, look how cute. Okay, let me open her up. Get in the hole. Okay, perfect. Look how cute, my little kitty. He's serving you some spaghetti, it looks like, maybe? Yes, some spaghetti. This is how she looks like, though, from behind. I give you spaghetti. Do, 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 do. Yum, 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 yum. And then it comes with, like, a little booklet inside. All the ones that you can get. So, we got her. And we got him. Look, there's a little picture of a kitty. Look how cutie. So cute, this one. Okay, on to this guy. Right here with bread. And then these are all the ones that you can get. I have this one. With the bread. I really want the donut one. Oh, how cute. Let's see who we get. Oh gosh, it was already open from behind. Oh! Oh, look it! How cute. Thankfully, we did not get a duplicate. Here he is. Let me assemble him real quick. And 3, 2, 1. He is in all his little glory. How cute. And this is my little fellow. Look at him. He's so cute. You want some bread? Get us some pan? Want some pan? Some bread? Oh, nom, nom, nom. Thank you, Mr. Kitty.
You're welcome.
So adorable. Okay, and then now we have these two little guys right here that I got from Miniso. These are all the little characters that you can get. You can see that. They're all so stinking cute. Look at the little ducky, the panda, the froggy, oh, the oxalado. Who do I want? Who do I want? I really want this one, or the panda, or even this little guy, or this, or the little ducky. I love patitos. I love ducks. I'm obsessed with ducks, if you didn't know, guys. And frogs. Oh, there's a froggy one. They're all cute. I honestly wouldn't be mad with any of them. They're all really, really cute. So, let's see who do we get. Ooh, from number 5. Ooh. More candy. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. It's not candy. It's not candy. Yeah. Okay, there's nothing in here. Just the little baggies. And we got... Stop! Ah! We got Patito! We got the little ducky! Stop! Oh my gosh, look at him. He's kind of shiny. He's like reflecting off my light. Oh my goodness. He's so stinking cute. My little ducky. My little ducky child. Adorable. Okay, guys. Last one of these. Who are we getting? Okay. Who did we get? Ah! And we got... Oh, how cute is he? Oh my gosh, look at him.
Hello.
Oh, he's so precious. Look how cute he is. Wait, guys, is he a secret? I think he's a secret. He's not on the box. Look. See? He's not on the box, guys. That's not him. Did I get a secret? What in the world? So crazy. I've never gotten the secret before. Another one. It's Miniso exclusive. I think they did a collab with Pac-Man. I love Pac-Man. Like, I used to have like the little like game where you like, I think this was like one of my first like gaming like console thingies was like, I don't know if back in the day if you know what I'm talking about, like where you can like connect it to like TV and it's like a little Pac-Man. You could like play little retro games from, you know, connecting it to the TV. My mom got it for me. I think it was like in Walmart for like Christmas, and I freaking loved it. I played the hell out of that game. Oh my gosh. See, I'm good at those games. Those like little retro games. Freaking love it. I wish I still had it, but I don't have it anymore. But anyway, we got this. Ooh, little ghosties. These are the ones that you can get. I really want the pink one. It's so bad. I wouldn't be mad with the red or the blue, but I really, really want the pink one. Let's manifest it. Orange one is okay too. She's not bad, but like they're all nice. But I really want the pink one. Okay, let's see who do we get? Who do we get? Oh, it has like a little tab. You see that? Ooh. Okay, let's try to do the tab. Oh, nice. Satisfying. Oh wow. All of it came out. Who did we get? I'm scared. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got the red one. Okay, not mad about it. Oh, so cutie, look. There's like little cherries. Oh, and she's like a little pouch. Look, there's like a little zipper. Yo, I can put my coins in here. I think she might be my new coin little baggie. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, yum, yum, yum. So cute. This one. Look how cutie she is. She is Nami. These are all the ones that you can possibly get. These are all so freaking cute. My top like 2 that I really, really want is the pink one and the purple one. They're so cute. Ah! Let's see who we get. Ooh. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah. Ooh, she big. Holy moly. I'm not gonna peek because there's probably a card in there. But oh, look at the packaging. It's so cute. Look at him. This is the back. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. What did we get? Who did we get? Oh my gosh, we got the purple one. No, you're kidding. Oh, she's so cutie. Yes, look at her. She's so cute. Oh, girl. Oh, they're squished a little bit, huh? Her ears have like that bendy. That's kind of cool. Oh my gosh, look at her. She's so cute. Her eyes move. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at this. What in the world? How cool. Wow. Gosh, I didn't know her eyes. Kind of scary. Look. Kind of creepy. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Can't wait to put her on a little baggie. She's so soft too. Have a little spoil card. And oh, and then we got the little keychain so I can put her in my bag. Guys, okay. Last two. Oh, I wish it never ends. I'm just kidding. Okay, with this one. Ooh, look how cute they all are. Oh, they're all to die for. They're all so cute. First, who do I want? I really want my Melody. I forget her name, but I love her too. I think these two are best friends. There's Karomi. Honestly, I wouldn't be mad with these 3. Hello Kitty's cute too, don't get me wrong. But I really want my Melody. She's so stinking cute. Let's see them more on here. Ooh, let's see. Who do we get? Ooh. Look how shiny. Ooh. There's like a little tab right here. Oh, for some ASMR, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Who did we get? I'm not gonna look because there might be a card in there. I'm not gonna look. 3, 2, 1. Oh, stop! Oh, I got And she's purple. I love purple. I love purple and pink. Those are like my top favorite colors. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, Karomi. She's so cute. The little details, the little bows. How stinking cute. I freaking love her. Nice. Little bell. Last one, guys. Last one. Ooh, who are we gonna get? Bam. Bam. Got this one. This one's pretty big. Pretty big. You can still get these at Miniso. Pretty sure all of these you can still get at Miniso. Here are all the ones you can get. Look, they're all so adorable. Who do I want? Who do I want? Oh, I really want my Melody or Karomi or Hello Kitty. Or even Cinnamon Roll. Look how cute he is. They're all honestly super cute. I would not be mad with any of them, to be honest. So let's see who we get. And then it also has like this in the front. It has a little tab. Ready for some ASMR, guys, of ripping it. Oh, so satisfying. Oh, okay. Okay. Whoa, that just yeeted out. Okay, I'm not gonna look inside. Okay. Who do we get? Who do we get? I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna close my eyes. You guys can look. You guys can look. Who do we get? Who do we get? And we got. Oh, I opened it from the upside down. Oh my gosh, we got Karomi again. Oh my gosh, what's up with me with Karomi? Oh my goodness. Oh, she's so cute. Stop. Look at her. Look how cute she is. Oh my flipping goodness. Oh, what a baddie. All the details are so like really well nice and put together. Ooh. And then here's the card that she comes with. Oh, how cute is that? Well, okay guys, well that concludes everything. Oh my goodness, we got so many cool stuff. I'll show you here, all of them up close and personal. And here's everybody who we got. Oh my goodness. I love all of them, they're so cute. So stinking cute. If you like this type of content, would like me to keep doing this, please let me know down in the comments below if you want me to. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a mama. Here's Chloe. Mama, say bye. Please like and subscribe. Here's the mama. Bye, guys.